na magtatagal, magpapasalamat po kami sa inyo.
Salamat.
At nakita namin kung paano ginagawa itong napakasarap na ukoy ninyo talaga. At dito lang po sa Calamba ako nakakita ng ukoy na mapintog at hindi pipi.
Salamat din po. Salamat sa inyo lahat.
My city, my SM, my cuisine.
This special edition of My City, My SM, My Cuisine has given us a glimpse of Rizal's family life and a taste of the family food as well. And for this to have happened, we would like to thank most sincerely many, many people. First, the Lopez family, Edmundo and Jose, Esther Azurin and Maria Elena Wihango, Ben Villaruz, Barbara Gonzalez, Bishop Attorney Fernando Alonso. And then, of course, there are the people in the National Historical Commission for allowing us to film in the shrine, in 2 shrines in fact, the Rizal Calamba Shrine and the Basiano Rizal Shrine in Los Baños. Thank you, Dr. Serena Diokno and Director Ludovico Badoy and the staff of both shrines. We would also like to thank Ami Esperidion for this very unique experience of Okoy, a very unique Okoy indeed. And thanks to you as well for joining us in this edition. This has been My City, My SM, My Cuisine in Calamba. We'll see you all next when My City, My SM, My Cuisine goes to Lipa City. Maraming salamat po.
My city, my SM, my cuisine. My city, my SM, my cuisine.